Have you ever noticed that there are lots of English words that pop up when you read or you listen to French? The good news is that they're easy for you to understand and they're often shorter. The bad news is that us French people still pronounce them based on how the letters are combined. So they don't quite sound the same as what you might expect. If you're reading one of those borrowed or stolen words, you might glaze over them and say them wrong in your head. And on the other hand, if you're listening to French, you may not even recognize them at all because they sound completely different than English. But don't worry, I'm here to help you with my carefully selected list of 60 anglicismes. Watch my video so that you can easily spot these and say them correctly. I'll also teach you their French equivalent so that you can choose between la fin de semaine ou le weekend. You can choose yourself. For the best step-by-step French learning tips and simple explanations, subscribe to my channel, French Speak, and if you hit the bell below, you'll be notified every time I share a new video. So go on, just pause that video and click the big red subscribe button and the bell icon. Ready? Having done all my studies in France all the way to university, I'm still a little bit traumatized by my past French teachers who would mark me down in my essays at school whenever I slipped in one of these anglicisms. So I've made this video to help you grow your French vocabulary using the proper French word, but also improve your pronunciation by giving you the French version of these borrowed words. Our learners at French Speak have loved learning these, and I hope you'll enjoy sprinkling a few new words in your conversation too. Je vais vous parler doucement en français maintenant et présenter les mots en groupe de 5. Prêt? Un airbag. Airbag, un coussin gonflable. Un audit, un contrôle. Du bacon, du lard fumé. Un best-of, une compilation. Un best-seller, une meilleure vente. Du bodybuilding, des exercices de musculation. Un brainstorming, un remue-ménage. Un break, une pause. Un brunch, un repas entre le petit déjeuner et le déjeuner. Le burn-out, un épuisement professionnel. Un camping-car, une autocaravane. Un casting, une audition. Un challenge, un défi. Un chat, un dialogue en ligne. Un chewing-gum, une gomme à mâcher. Un coach sportif, coach, un entraînement, un entraîneur sportif. Cool, super, débriefer, faire le bilan. Un designer, un créateur. Un DJ, un animateur musical. Do it yourself, à faire soi-même. Des dreadlocks, des tresses de rasta. Un dress code, un code vestimentaire. Un drive-in, un ciné-parc. Fun, drôle ou amusant. Un geek, un fou d'ordinateur. Glamour, au charme sophistiqué. Un gloss, un brillant à lèvres, en live, en direct. Un lobby, un groupe de pression. Un look, un style ou une allure. Une lotion, un tonique. Low cost, à bas coût. Les news, une nouvelle. Une newsletter, une lettre d'information. Un parking, un parc de stationnement. Un piercing, un perçage. la pop, la musique populaire, un poster, une affiche, la prime time, l'heure de grande écoute. Et relooker, donner une nouvelle apparence. Un remake, une nouvelle version. Un scoop, une nouvelle sensationnelle. Du scrapbooking, un collage. Sexy, attrayant. Du shopping, des achats. Un software, un logiciel, une start-up, une entreprise débutante, le streaming, une diffusion en flux, le stress, une tension, une superstar, une vedette, un talk show, une émission débat, un thriller, un film à suspense, le timing, le minutage, le toast, le pain grillé. Trendy, à la mode, vintage, rétro, un voucher, un bon, le web, Internet, et zapper, passer d'une chaîne à l'autre. Voilà. Maintenant, vous avez du vocabulaire pour ajouter à vos conversations. Many learners don't take the time to learn the pronunciation of French, and it makes it hard when they start to have conversation. So to help learners like you to gain more confidence in speaking and understanding more French, I've created a special training called Tricky French Sounds. So you can learn to spot those typically French sounds when you hear them and perfect how you're going to say them yourself. It's free and you can watch it here. bit.ly/Tricky French Sounds. Alors voilà, mes amis. Now you have plenty of useful words to use in conversations. Be sure to practice them in full sentences with some context so that they can stick in your brain. If you'd like some help with your pronunciation, don't forget to check out my free training called Tricky French Sounds. In the comments below, I will link to it. And if you'd like some help with your own sentence building, please get in touch. We can arrange some private or group lessons with frenchspeak.com.au through the website. I'd love to see your comments below. Let me know what anglicism or borrowed or stolen words that you've come across already. Pop them in the chat below. Thank you so much for watching. And remember that if you enjoyed this video, the best way to say j'aime cette vidéo is by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with another French language lover. Au revoir.